What do you have in the workshop at the moment?
Okay, should we do a workshop tour?
We could do a workshop tour.
We've got Dad on the camera. I don't know how well this is going to go. Workshop tour!
Workshop tour!
Just starting at the very far end of the shop. This is our little storage area where we keep loads of goodies.
I'll pan. Hang on, I can pan, watch.
All of these bikes here are secret builds. You're not allowed to see any of them. But you are allowed to see. Do you remember the drag bike? She's still in the shop. That's from season 2.
Season 2.
We have this TR750 Suzuki. It's like a replica Grand Prix bike. Proper, insane bit of kit. Is it from the 70s?
Yes.
70s bike?
Yes.
70 something?
Yes. Early 80s. Late 70s.
This is in season 3. We take it to Stevenage bike meet and we start it up. It's pretty epic. Moving on. These are some of the builds you don't see in the videos. You have to walk backwards.
Do you want?
Yeah.
I've only got one leg.
Oh. We've got a cameraman with a gammy leg. Keep that camera steady.
Ouch. Ouch. Yes?
These are some of the bikes you don't see in the videos. These are like projects that go on in between the episodes.
What's the Honda there? What's this, CBR?
A CBR 600. The old man's doing a subframe conversion to it, and it's like a Moto 2 seat unit set up in it.
Yep.
Should be pretty cool looking.
Mothership of Harley Davidson.
This thing's completely insane. Check out the clocks on this. Do you just turn it?
Other way. Just once, Sam. Oh, that'll do. That's it. Copyright music.
Yeah, copyright. Ah! Alright, we'll leave that there.
And this is in for what?
It's had all the front end rebuilt and painted and a few bits powder coated or something.
Yeah.
Tidying it up, I think. Moving on.
Moving on. Panning round very gently so I don't shake the camera.
The Ducati tickler, fanny tickler.
That's the fanny tickler. Huzzah!
From the last workshop tour. hasn't been looked at at all. It's just been moved.
I've looked at it.
We've looked at it.
Yeah. Twice.
Dad, do you want to go over this project?
Yeah. We're using a rear wheel in the front. So I thought it'd be quite cool. Because we had loads of solid wheels left over.
It's a Sportster 1200 motor.
Sportster 1200, yeah. Got a wide guide front end. At the moment, we're going to be doing, I'll tell you.
Soft tower, innit?
Soft towel on air. There's a mock up there for the battery and oil
In one.
that will be sitting in there. We're going to be making our own swing arm for the Mint Mark 1 twin tube swing arm, which is set up in the jig over there, but you can't see it. And then we'll be moving the shocks right forward here. Got a couple of air shocks. So yeah, it'll be a full soft tail. This one, sort of nice cruiser sort of thing going on. But once we've had the swing arm made and in, I can then cut the rest of this subframe off and make a new subframe.
Sick.
Yeah, sick. This would be a cool bike.
Moving on.
Moving on, cheesy chopper.
Got the cheesy chop. You all know that from season 3. And Ada from season 1.
Yeah.
Bless her.
She's just come in for a little bit of love and a bit of a look after for over winter.
Awesome. You got to talk about this because you know a lot about this bike where I don't.
It's an OWO1, very rare, real one, not a mock-up look-alikey one. This particular one I think was prepped by a guy called Peter Day. It's owned by Stuart Gillespie. He's the guy that does all our laser cutting, sheet metal laser cutting stuff that we need doing. But yeah, it's a full blown superbike, that one. Was living in his living room.
And it's now in our shop.
Yeah.
Then we got the TT Racer from... Yeah, well that is exactly where it went. That is where the finger went in. Oh my word.
Yeah, I was reaching round to block the airbox, but...
You missed by about
missed
4
that.
inches.
Yeah, so that dragged that finger that way and snapped it and cut the end of that one off.
Oh damn.
Don Marinan. 1200 Bandits come over from Germany to be calf raced.
And then what's
and then
this?
it's going back to Germany. And this is... I've got it in my head. We're going to build a zombie chopper apocalypse now, cut down, zombie killing super moped.
But it's going to be a chip shop bike basically, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be a chip shop bike. Yeah.
Crossing over.
Threshold.
Okay then.
Got mint crutches.
Yeah. We have this CNC machine, which is currently waiting to be plumbed in, and we're getting the software and stuff to run it, and we need some tooling and bits and pieces, but we'll be up and running doing
Soon.
CNC, which is new to the shop. The Moose project, which is Thomas's project. He's extremely close to finishing this. We actually heard it run for the first time today, which was really cool. It's like a gunmetal gay paint job. Nice graphic on the oil tank, which we made from scratch.
I don't know how to zoom into that. That's probably out of focus, but I can't work this thing.
And then the KTM is finally on the bench. This is going to be a 300 two-stroke KTM project, steel trellis frame, Olin suspension, supermoto wheels, custom made yokes, Brembo brakes, all the bits and pieces. And this was the grand finale of season 3. You may have seen the episode. We cut the frame off here and custom made this subframe, braced it from the top and hugged the fuel tank. Ducati Imola seat unit, we made an under seat exhaust system for it. Single sided swing arm, Olin suspension,
Cock.
custom yokes, Marcassini wheels, Brembo brakes. It's absolutely dripping in carbon fibre. There's carbon on it everywhere. Carbon cases, mud guards, the lot. Carbon exhaust cam.
I'm good at this camera malarkey. Look, watch.
Super close-ups.
No wobble. Is that my shadow in there then? Yeah.
And we don't always build bikes. Sometimes we do some random projects of other things, like we're making this huge door for one of the other units. We do random stuff, make random stuff.
It's bread and butter stuff, isn't it? Bread and butter.
And that's basically an update on the workshop. I wanted to say back to the studio then, but I don't know what that means.